In Paris, and it's about to be even greener right here in Central Texas with more rain on the way.
Yeah, Matt, I know you're tracking things and keeping us weather aware as we look ahead for potential storms in our area.
Yeah, that's right. Definitely looking ahead, because if you look outside right now, you would not have any indication that we do in fact have rain, as you mentioned, in the forecast for tomorrow. It's actually a pretty nice night across the area, still right there, right about 81 degrees here in Temple. Southeast breeze at about 11 miles per hour. And overall, the humidity, not too bad. Feels like 84 when the actual air temperature right now is 81 degrees. Elsewhere across the area, most of us hanging right there, right around 80 to 82. So again, yeah, we're still in the 80s at 10 o'clock. We'd prefer to be into the 70s, but we will be as we head through the rest of the night. We'll be back into the 70s by tomorrow morning, but of course by tomorrow morning, that's when we shift our focus just a little bit. Right now, the focus that we're talking about is still well off to our southeast. They're near the Houston area, kind of coming on shore from Houston, basically down towards Corpus Christi here. That's that big rain shield associated with that potential tropical cyclone we still have kind of surging through the Gulf. I say surging, it's really not moving all that fast. It's moving at about 5 to 6 miles per hour. And of course, that's the concern with the rain. If it's only moving 5 or 6 miles per hour, yes, the rain that we end up getting throughout the day tomorrow could be very slow moving, which of course that means it could dump a whole lot of rain on us, right? Well, maybe not necessarily. I want to show you the current track that we're expecting with this particular tropical system. It's going to move on shore, moving almost due west here with 45-mile-per-hour winds by tomorrow morning. And then it comes on shore as we head into the early parts of the day on Thursday. But again, this is only moving about 5 or 10 miles per hour, sustained winds of 45 miles per hour. But notice where it's coming on shore. This is down near the state line of Tamaulipas. That's well south of the Rio Grande. So that southerly track, of course, is what's going to keep us from getting the heavy amounts of rain that we've been talking about for the last couple of days. So let's take a look here. Continues to come on shore. This is right now Tuesday, 10 o'clock. Moves on shore. The heaviest rain will be from Houston again down towards Corpus and down towards Brownsville. Continues moving inland. Notice what happens. A lot of the heaviest rain for tomorrow afternoon stays well south of central Texas. We'll get a few showers there as we head towards midday, but then we bring the heavy rain, for us at least, into the forecast as we head towards tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. What does that mean? Well, that means we won't spend the entire day being inundated with rain, which was one of the solutions we were talking about yesterday. Now, we are expecting some heavy rain, so minor flooding will continue to be a concern, but it moves to the Brazos Valley first tomorrow evening and then continues to move through central Texas. But notice what happens here as the sun starts to set. What usually happens in the summer? That's right, we start to lose energy as we start to get into the evening. So again, we start tapering those showers off just a little bit as they move into central Texas. So overall, not nearly the 3 to 4 inch solution that we were talking about yesterday, more likely going to be that trace to 1 inch solution. That was kind of one of our outliers that we were talking about as well. As we enter the day on Thursday, a little bit of wraparound activity moves on. That sea breeze pushes more showers into the area. So we could see about a 20% coverage of some scattered showers, isolated showers there as we head into Thursday as well. So where are they expecting the heaviest rain? Well, that's going to be South Texas, down towards San Antonio, and again down towards the coast. That's where we have flood watches in effect through Wednesday night. What about us? Well, again, those numbers have gone way down. A tenth of an inch to half of an inch for most of central Texas. For our northernmost counties, from Comanche to Waco to Centerville, a trace to a tenth. So again, not a whole lot there. Rest of your 7-day forecast looks like this. We are going to be ending up with high pressure settling back in after the rain moves out, which of course we all know what that means. By the weekend, we're talking sunshine and temperatures back into the 90s.
Which is great because there are a lot of things going on over this weekend. I'm going to be at a rodeo, at an Alzheimer's walk. You need good weather. And a couple of other things, I think, too. So
stay hydrated.
I'll try.